How to see other viewers on your Facebook story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see other viewers on your Facebook story. So let us begin. First, open up your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, let's say this is the story that I've uploaded. Now what you need to do is you can see all of your viewers here. Now if you want to see other viewers, what you'll need to do is go to your menu. After you're on your menu, tap on the settings icon on the top right or scroll down and go to settings and privacy and tap on your settings. After you've done that, scroll down all the way. Now after you scroll down, you will see audience and visibility section. Under there, go to stories. After you're on your stories, you will see the section that says who can see your story. Now tap on it and tap on custom. Now here you will get the list of people that can view a story, and those are the other viewers on your Facebook story, and that is how you see the viewers on your Facebook story. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye bye, take care.